inshallah. This is the eve of Ramadan. Go and clean your room. If your rooms are not clean, you're not doing it. I'm very serious about that. I'm not taking that from both of you. If your rooms are not clean, you're staying in the house by yourself. Both of you. This thing is filled up. I was just going to wash those ones for myself tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Ramadan Mubarak. This is the eve of Ramadan. So this is the eve of Ramadan. It is currently 5:30 p.m. We need to go out. Welcome back to my channel, by the way. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I usually do this Ramadan Eve vlog. If you are an OG on this channel, you would know. So I'm sweating, I'm tired. I just came downstairs to kind of put some things in order, start the dishwasher, the mister just did actually, and do some incense. We want to go out to go pick up some last minute things for sahur, fruits, yogurt, just things for the house. And we are running late, by the way, but I want to quickly go do some incense in my room before we leave. So I might bring you guys along, clips here and there, but I need to go charge my camera, so I'm going to be using my phone for that. So yeah, how are you guys doing? And yeah, let's just get started. Hey guys, so we are here at Sam's Club. The mister is gone into the produce section to get spring mix for our smoothie. It's very cold, so I'm here with the kid. How cold is it? How cold is it? Babe, are you going to eat that asparagus? Please, you're not putting it in smoothie, are you? Exactly. Babe, what will you put it in smoothie? It's vegetable too.
Careful with the eggs.
Yes, I'm sorry. Be careful with the egg.
Do you want turkey or beef?
This is your brazier.
I do not know how it gets big because I'm so tall.
Hmm?
I'm so tall.
You're so tall.
I just have to reach your head and then I...
Yeah, did you show them your henna? We tried to do henna yesterday.
But it didn't turn out great.
It didn't turn out great,
Yeah.
but well, you only stayed for 1 hour. So imagine if you stayed for what, 2 hours,
Or
like
12
mine.
hours.
No, at least 2-3 hours, then it would be like mine. But yeah.
No, wait, let me see. Wow.
Hey guys, so we are done. The mister is putting away the cart, like the things in the cart. At the end of the day, so much for last minute shopping. It felt like, or it feels like we shopped for the entire month all over again. Like, that's why I don't like coming for grocery shopping with them. The kids want, he wants, everybody wants something. At the end of the day, we have a very, very full cart. It is almost 8 o'clock, so yeah, just wanted to update this vlog. The kids are eating on the back. They're at the back, they are eating. I'm also going to try to eat something because I'm very, very hungry. I've not eaten. I've only had breakfast all day. So yeah, the mister is done. He's gonna put away the cart, I believe. Yeah. I got 3 wheat inside. Oh. Go and put on your nightie. Okay? It's me that carry my father's name and give to you. No? You people have finished the meat right. There is corn. Corn. La. Babe. Babe. The meat pie is finished. Babe, remains for I made 15. I made 15. Babe. Babe, I made 15.
Is it not meant to be eaten?
Ramadan.
I don't understand Ramadan. Is this the only thing we'll be eating in Ramadan?
Babe, you have mind though. So you've been eating it all this. Babe. Hey guys, so we've been back home since, as you guys can have seen in the clip. We put away the groceries, everything. Yeah, Ramadan officially starts tomorrow, inshallah. Or have officially started myself. So I'm so glad that I actually was able to bring this video, like film this content, because I've been doing this, I think this is my third Ramadan doing this the eve of Ramadan content. So how do you guys like it? So this is my Ramadan starter pack, Suhur starter pack. This is my Suhur starter pack. The banana for the Mr. and I, the yogurt for me, and my water, and my tea, of course. So this is how this is my Suhur starter pack. If you're a newbie on this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. But this is how I do it. I wake up very early, so the next thing I need to do now is to actually set my alarm. My alarm used to be for what 5:45. So now that Fajr is 6:20, let's just say 6:20, it's going to keep moving up till it becomes like 5:45 and all that. So I am going to set my alarm for 4:30. I'm going to set my alarm for 4:15. Yeah, I'm going to set my alarm for 4:15. It is safer that way. So by the time I wake up, by the time I perform wudu and start my prayer, then I have like roughly 2 hours to Fajr, and that works for me. So this is my old alarm, 4:55. So it's going to, I have different levels of alarm. So I'm going to move this one to 4:15. I'm still going to leave my old alarms on for safety reasons. If you go and switch off your old alarms, you know, that used to wake you up very early. So I've moved this to 4:15, and that will give me, even if I don't wake up 4:15, I still have one that wakes me up at 4:55. That one will just probably give me 1 hour of ibadah, but no, I will definitely wake up. So this is where I want to end this video. I am going to start officially reciting my Quran for Ramadan. The goal is to, my goal, not the entire Ramadan goal, my goal is to finish recitation of the Quran as always, but I have also lined up other things for me to maximize my recitation of the Quran. But I'm able to recite the Quran start to finish. I know I can do it, so that is not my main task. My main task for this Ramadan is actually to how will I put it, memorize the translation of the Quran. So but recitation is mandatory because I can do it. So in between everything, I might not necessarily be able to memorize the entire of the translation of the Quran, but definitely try to put in a lot of memorization of the translation and meaning of the Quran. I might do it, yeah, I've not mapped out how I'm going to do that, but inshallah I am going to do that. So please subscribe. I'm going to now pray Taraweeh before I go to bed. Pray Taraweeh, start my recitation officially for the month of Ramadan, and I wish you all a very blessed month. May Allah accept our du'as, may He accept our ibadah, may He forgive our shortcomings, may He forgive our sins, may He fill our hearts and our homes with His nur, with His love, with His blessings, with His rahmah, with forgiveness. Let us try to maximize this month. Let us try to make sure that we leave this month forgiving of all our sins, inshallah. Let us believe that our sins are going to be forgiven so long as we put in the energy to ask, to put in the tawbah. Inshallah, everything is going to work in our favor. Let me know how day one is going for you. So far so good. Where are you watching me from? What is the time for sahur? What is the time for iftar? I'd love to know. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.